guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Glamour jewelry box. Glamour jewelry box is $29.95 a month plus $3 shipping, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry. Okay, so let's see what I got this month. All right, this month's jewelry is a perfect set to kick off the spring season. Is this a bracelet? Oh, this is cute. A little cuff bracelet. Very cute. It's super bendy though. I'm afraid it's gonna fall off, you know, like that could easily catch on something and come off, but it is very cute. Of course, I'm always worried about stuff like that. I can't just wear jewelry like a normal person. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? Oh, and matching earrings. Oh, these are super cute. Little hoop earrings with the shiny diamondy things on them. I don't know why I can't talk. Okay, let's see. These have that same super bendiness, which I actually kind of like. Something about like on my ears that seems better. On my wrist, I'm afraid I'm gonna lose it. This is cool because the back is attached to it, so you'll never have to worry about losing the back. Cute. Oh, I really like those. I have found with my new short hair that jewelry looks different now, you know, because I don't have all that hair to go with it, and so it's like it's a totally different thing. Oh, this is a super cute little delicate necklace, and it all kind of goes together, you know, the silver sparkly thing. Let's try this on. This is really cute. I love this. It's like very lightweight, you know. There we go. Cute. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that. Very pretty. And these earrings are fantastic. I really love these earrings, and I feel like they go with my hair nicely. And this bracelet is very cute. I will give it that. All right, well, that's another fun box from Glamour Jewelry Box. I always love my jewelry subscriptions. Oh wait, there's something else in here. I was not expecting that. What is it? Oh, is this another necklace? Is it the same necklace? Did I get 2 of the same thing? Are you supposed to layer these? I don't understand. I wonder if they just accidentally put one in here. That's funny. Okay, I put them both on. I just did one a little bit shorter so they kind of layer. Of course, now they're not perfectly centered. There we go. That's kind of cute. That's funny. I wonder how that happened, that I accidentally got 2. Well, that was a nice surprise. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all of the information in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!